episode, I will discuss about how to import the Excel files to the Autocad program.
Hello guys, welcome to Media channel in the free online Autocad course.
Before continuing this event, you should press the like and subscribe button first, so that this event can continue to grow and benefit others. To be able to import files from Excel to the Autocad program, then follow the step below. Now we prepare the file that we will move from Excel to the Autocad program. Here is an example of a file that we will transfer to Autocad program. The next step is open your Autocad program. And then follow the steps below. Now you point your mouse to find the table column, then click. After pressing the table button, it will dialog box looks like in the following video. I will try on large view so that it can be seen more clearly. Choose from data link by clicking see the rectangle, and then the display will appear in this video. Choose create new Excel data link column by clicking see the rectangle, and then the display will appear in this video. And then type the name of the file that we will create in the Autocad program and press OK. The display will appear in this video. Select the Excel file to be converted to the Autocad program by clicking the file in the red box, then press Open. The dialog box display will appear in the following video, then press OK. Now you guys watch the following footage how to implement it into Autocad program. The following video explains how to extract Excel file to be transferred into the Autocad program. As a final step, just press the OK button. Then you can see the result you want, which is a table obtained from the Excel import file into the Autocad program. Then there is a comment from the Autocad program to determine the coordinate. That's a review of the material, how to import the Excel to the Autocad program. Look forward to continuing this material in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Look for the sustainability of this video in the next episode. See you later. Bye bye.